We have one more problem on functions. Find range. If a is equal to set 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 2, and f a to b is defined by f of x is equal to sin x, then the range of f is, these are the options given. So here we have f of x is equal to sin x is defined, and a is equal to, this is set of 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 2. So f of 0 is equal to sin 0 is equal to 0. F of pi by 6 is equal to sin pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2, and f of pi by 4 is equal to sin pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2, and f of pi by 2 is equal to sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. Then range of this function f of 0, f of pi by 6, f of pi by 4, f of pi by 2 is equal to what? 0, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1. This is the range of the function of f. So 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1. So option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here we have the problem. If f is equal to closed interval minus 4 to 4 to r, defined by f of x is equal to x square, then the range of f is, these are the options given. So here domain, what is domain in closed interval? Minus 4 comma 4 is equal to set of minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the domain. Here f of x is equal to x square is defined. So f of minus 4 is equal to what? Minus 4 is equal to minus 4 whole square is equal to 16. F of 4 value this is. F of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 whole square, 9 is equal to, this is f of 3. F of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 whole square equal to 4 is equal to f of 2. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 is equal to f of 1. F of 0 is equal to 0 square is equal to 0, f of 0. So we have the range. So range is f of, the range of f, range of f is equal to 0, 1, 4, 3, 9, 16 is the range. So f is equal to, f of x is equal to, f of x is equal, f of x belongs to closed interval 0 to 16. Okay, all of you. So we have the option 3 is the answer. Here we have problem f closed interval 0 2 comma 3 to r is defined by f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x minus 2. Then the range of f of x is. So we have the options are given. This is 34. So here f of x is equal to, function is given, f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x minus 2 is given. But here f function from 2 to 3 to r, this is the domain of the function. So f of 2 is equal to what? 2 cube plus 3 of 2 minus 2. This is 8 plus 6 minus 2 is equal to 14. F of 3 is equal to what? 3 cube plus 3 of 3 minus 2 is equal to 27 plus 9 minus 2 is equal to 34. This is 12. Okay, so what is f of x? F of x is equal to, f of x belongs to closed interval 12 comma 34. This y is equal to range. So range of f of x is closed interval 12 comma 34. So we have the option 1 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here we have the one more problem. If f closed interval 2 to infinity 2b defined by f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5 is a bijection, then b is equal to here f function is from closed bracket 2 to infinity to b. This is the domain, this is the range. So domain is closed bracket 2 comma infinity open bracket, and function f is defined as x square minus 4x plus 5. So if x take the value 2 to infinity, so f of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 5. f of 2 is equal to 4 minus 8 plus 5 equal to 9 minus 8 equal to 1. The f of 2 is equal to 1. Here up to infinity take the value. So here range value is also up to infinity. So what is the range? Range is equal to set of f of 2 comma so on up to infinity. So is equal to range f of x is equal to x belongs to closed interval that is 1 comma infinity open. So we have the option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here we have the problem. The range of f of x is equal to mod x by x. So here f of x is equal to what? Mod x by x. Okay. See here mod x value. This is x if x greater than 0. Minus x if x less than 0. Suppose x is equal to 0, this is not defined. So x not equal to 0. So f of x is equal to mod x by x is equal to x by x is equal to 1. X greater than 0. F of x is equal to mod x by x minus x by x is equal to minus 1. X less than 0. These two conditions. So what we have to write? Range is equal to, this is minus 1 comma 1 is the answer. So we have the option 3 is the answer. Okay, all of you. This is the solution. Here we have the one more problem on function. F of x is equal to mod x by 2 is a real function. If f ought to be is the subjection, then b is equal to, here we have given function f of x is equal to modulus of x by 2, and is a real function. F ought to be is a subjection. Subjection means y is equal to f of x. Subjection means what? Y is equal to f of x. Here you take x greater than 0, that is f of x is equal to modulus of x by 2 is equal to x by 2, positive value. X is equal to 0, f of x is equal to modulus of x by 2 is equal to 0. X less than 0, f of x is equal to modulus of x by 2 is equal to x by 2. If you take x less than 0, it is positive value, and x greater than 0, it is positive value, x is equal to 0. So what is the range? Range is equal to all real numbers. For all real numbers, positive values will come. So r plus union including 0. So 0. So this is the range of the given function. Here we have the problem. The range of f of x is equal to x minus step x, where step x denotes the greatest integer function is. So here step x plus here f of x is equal to, we have given x minus step x, greatest integer function of x. So here step x plus fractional part of x is equal to what? X. Step x plus fractional part of x is equal to x. So we have substitute here, fractional part of x is equal to x minus step x. So f of x is equal to what is the remaining? Fractional part of x. So this fractional part of the x must be 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. So what is the range? F of x range 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. So we have the option 4 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here we have the problem. The range of step x minus x is A, x minus step x is B, where x denotes the greatest integer function. Step x denotes the greatest integer function. A intersection B is equal to. Here we have the problem. Step x plus fractional x, fractional part of x is equal to x. Fractional part of x is equal to x minus step x. Here x value is equal to what? Here x value is equal to 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. So A belongs to 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. And here step x plus fractional part of x is equal to x, and minus fractional part of x is equal to step x minus x. That means here this value b is belongs to minus 1 less than or less than x is less than or equal to 0. In both these conditions, this is first condition, this is second condition, set A, set B. From these two, you observe here 0 is the common value. So A intersection B is equal to what? This is set 0. So we have the option 1 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. The range of the function, we have the problem. The range of the function sin step x pi, where step x denotes the greatest the integer function is. Generally, step x is equal to 1. If 1, 0, less than x, less than or equal to 1. 0, 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. Minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0. Step x values 1, 0 less than x less than or equal to 1, 0, 0 less than or equal to x less than 1, minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 1. So here f of x is equal to, we have the given sin of step x into pi. So first condition 0 less than x less than or equal to 1. So what is step of x? Is equal to sin pi. Step x value 1. So f of 1 is equal to sin pi value 0. And next condition, 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. So f of 0 is equal to sin 0 into pi. So 0 is equal to sin 0 value, so 0. Next condition, minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0. That is x is equal to minus 1. Step x value minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to sin of minus pi. This value is 0. So here all values are 0 in range. So what is range? Range of f of x is equal to what? Set of 0. So we have the option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here we have the problem. The range of f of x is equal to x by 1 plus x square range. So here f of x is equal to y, then y is equal to x by 1 plus x square. By cross multiplication, y plus y x square equal to x. So y x square or x square y plus minus x plus y equal to 0. Here range of this, you take the discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. So here this value a is equal to y, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to y. Then b square is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 4 into a y into c y greater than or equal to 0. So 1 minus 4y square greater than or equal to 0. This can be written as 1 plus 2y into 1 minus 2y greater than or equal to 0. So this is 2y plus 1 into 2y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. This can be written as, that means y belongs to closed interval minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So we have the option 1 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all.